Do you know that your attorney has no control how long your trademark process takes? Yeah. So the USPTO, which is the organization that administers and processes your trademark application, takes between 8 to 15 months to process your trademark. What does that mean for you? If you have a business, not just a healthcare business, but a business, when you're working with your attorney, you need to be very clear about providing your attorney with the necessary documents for your business. Because sometimes I have clients who take a while to get me some of the stuff that we need to process the trademark. That's just going to be added to the processing time, right? Because again, your attorney doesn't determine how long something takes. It's the USPTO office. That doesn't include the time it takes for them to ask you questions or potentially respond to a temporary denial or anything like that. The process takes a while. So when your attorney says, hey, I need information regarding use in commerce. No, I'm saying this, you might not know what that means. So when you process a trademark application, one of the questions that is asked is, has your trademark been used in commerce? A lot of people don't provide the right type of information for their attorney, so they've got to go back and find information that proves that their trademark has been used in commerce. That means it depends on what item you're trying to trademark as well, right? So if you're trying to trademark, let's say, a clothing company, yeah, you're trying to trademark your t-shirt, you might need an actual hang tie that has the price and the information of the shirt before it can be trademarked. Just submitting this will not work for use in commerce. When you have a digital business, right, you might have to produce some stuff from your website that shows your logo or your information that shows that you're actually using your business. So the longer you take to provide your attorney with that information, the longer you're going to be waiting. Now, there are two types of use in commerce. You have actual use or intent to use. The intent to use means that you are intending and using the logo or trade name or whatever in commerce, but you haven't done that yet. Well, you can still file it, but you have to update your attorney with that information eventually so that your trademark can be processed. So the trademark process takes a long time, but it will take even longer if you don't provide all the information that's necessary to get your stuff done correctly. So if you're trying to process a trademark, make sure you provide your attorney with all the information and be patient. It is a process. Why? Because the USPTO has to go online and search and see if your trademark doesn't infringe on another's rights. So if you've made sure that it hasn't, then you should have no issues. Or if your attorney did a good clearance search, then you shouldn't really have a lot of issues. Now, if you did the clearance search yourself, you might have some issues. You might have some problems, but hopefully you didn't and you hired a competent attorney to help you. If you have not applied for a trademark and you're really thinking about doing it, we'd be glad to help you. We process trademarks all the time, and we want to be able to help you get your business protected, because that's what a trademark is about, protecting your brand. Thanks so much. Bye.